As a result of the SciTech-CGTech partnership, VERICUT can connect to CNC machines via SciTech's data exchange machine monitoring software. This enables users to monitor what their CNC machines are doing and how they are functioning in the shop. Connect VERICUT to your real machine with the click of a button. CNC machine monitoring continually updates the connected VERICUT session with the CNC machine's axis positions, active NC program, tool and work offsets, cutting tool in use, and a wealth of information about how the machine is behaving and performing. CNC machine monitoring helps answer questions like, is the machine running or stopped? If stopped, why? Which part program tool is running, and what part of the NC program is being executed? Are the spindle speeds and feed rates running at 100% of programmed values or being overridden? How much longer until my part is finished? See spindle or feed rate adjustments on the controller immediately displayed in VERICUT. Identify overrides or emergency stops as they happen in real time. CGTech's VERICUT works with SciTech's data exchange software to achieve high-accuracy digital twins of CNC machines on your shop floor.